Mission of Mercy's mobile medical and dental clinic program has been serving the sick and needy in the region since 1994. Their mission is to restore dignity and healing through love at mobile clinics, providing free health care and medications to all who come. At Mission of Mercy, no one is denied care. All services are provided free, regardless of race, color, creed, national origin, or religion.
Our mission statement is to restore dignity, healing through love. And if you happen to look at our logo, that love is with a capital L. And that love, it's a capital L because God's love is our product. And we hope that as people go through the system here, they will meet 4 or 5 different people. From the point of view of our registration, our nurses, our pharmacists, our interpreters, so that by the time that they get to me, it's my hope that they have been slapped about 5 times with God's love, so that when they leave here, they know that something has happened here. And they feel that something has happened here more than they've ever felt at any other, medical or dental encounter that they've had. And I think that we can be certain or fairly certain that that is happening because all of our folks are here because they want to be here and because prayer is central to their life. So not only are we providing the medical care, but we're taking these people that we're seeing and we are praying that the results are far greater than they would be getting if they were depending on the medical care that we give them. We become the medical home for many of these patients, and they're here not so much because this is their first choice, but this may be their only choice because they have felt a sense of rejection at multiple other places along the way. Now, Mission of Mercy is very much a volunteer-driven organization. It would cost another organization or another hospital hundreds of thousands of dollars more to take care of this patient population if they had to use paid staff. But we have a generous volunteer base of several hundred volunteers who makes it possible for us to take care of a large volume of patients and do it with a quality of care that is very surprising to many people, including ourselves at times. And Mission of Mercy certainly tries to provide a quality of medical care consistent with the quality that is expected by most patients, but we try to provide it in a way that leaves the patient with dignity, that promotes dignity, and lets them feel that during the time that they are here with us, that each and every one of the people that comes in contact with them is somebody that sincerely loves them for the people that they are.
Funding is provided by private contributions from individuals, foundations, corporations, service organizations, churches, special events, and more. To learn how you can partner with Mission of Mercy to make a difference, contact them at 717-642-9062 or visit their website at www.missionofmercy.org for more information.